Welcome to day 12 of Khana Chronicles. This one's kinda special because it takes me back. I still remember I must have been 7 or 8 sitting cross legged on the floor when my dad brought home litti chokha and said, just try a bite. I did and I hated it. It was smoky, rustic, and so unlike anything I liked back then. I scrunched my nose, pushed the plate away, and that was that. For years, I never touched it again. Fast forward to last year when my ex colleagues dragged me to this little stall after office and ordered litti chokha. I was disgusted. I hesitated, but I took a bite, and suddenly it just clicked. That same earthy taste, but this time it felt comforting. I ended up eating it almost every second day for a whole month. So today, I'm trying to recreate that feeling, a little memory, a little comfort on a plate. Hope you like the story of mine. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.